Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to restore. I've got iPhone 8. It's got iPhone is disabled, as you can see. I need to put this in recovery mode. So to do that, what you need to use the side button and the volume up, volume down. So I'll show you the combination. We no longer use the home button. Just like the iPhone 7, we don't use the home button too, the side button and the volume down. So with this combination with the iPhone 8 and the iPhone X is the same. So to do it first, what you need to do is volume button up, volume button down, then just hold the side button and make sure your cable's plugged into your laptop. As you can see, my iTunes is running at the back, so just keep holding it until it comes on. Just keep holding it all the way. Just hold it. Then it's going to go to recovery mode. There you go. And as you can see on the laptop, it detected. It says there's a problem with the iPhone that requires to be updated or restored. For this case, I want to restore. But when you're restoring, it's going to go to factory reset. So make sure you backed up all your data, all your media and other data. It will be erased. So make sure you backed everything up first. So this is a new phone, so it's okay. I'm going to restore it. As you can see, it's going to restore iOS 13, the latest version. As you can see guys, installing the software on the phone. Make sure this don't take the cable out, the USB cable. As you can see, it's almost finished. This line is quick because the main software is already installed. So while this line is going, let's recap. So to put it in recovery mode, what you need to do is press the volume button up, volume down, side button. Just hold it all the way until you see the Apple logo. Keep holding it all the way until you get the recovery mode, and then you can restore it. But make sure when you want to restore it, guys, you need to update, you need to back up everything, because it's going to do factory reset. So there you go guys, as you can see, the phone is finished. Everything restored to original manufacturing reset. So from now, what you need to do is just put your activation code, your Apple ID and your password. That's it, and just connect it. At this stage, you don't need to connect your cable. You can just do everything from the phone. So you just need to connect your Wi-Fi, and then from there you can just activate it. Otherwise, as you can see, the same thing what I have on my laptop, you have on the phone. You can activate it through the phone. So if you find this helpful, give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. So let's just recap. To do iPhone 8 and iPhone X and onwards, 8, 10, all the latest from above 8 and 8 on. To do the activation, what you need to do is volume button up, volume down, and the side button. Just keep holding the side button until the phone goes off, then restarts again. Just keep holding it until you see the recovery mode, and from then you can restore it. So once again, thank you. Bye.